How to tip Uber Eats. Tip Uber Eats delivery driver. Now if you want to tip Uber Eats, normally you can do an offline tip when the delivery driver is actually getting your food and then you take the order from the person if they meet you, right? But if you want to tip them in another way because they already left and then you want to still tip them, then open the Uber Eats app. Then after you open the app, simply go to the order history tab. So you can tap on the orders icon from the bottom right. From here you'll see all your past orders and the past items here. Now simply select the order that you want to tip on which order you got, and you will be prompted to add a tip before rating your experience. You can choose a percentage or enter a custom amount directly within the app. After you've done that, you'll have successfully tipped the delivery rider. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.